Welcome again. Let's get started to learn some basic on Linux by using Termux on Android. For example, in my files I have some different folder and files. But for explain, I want to create a new folder, for example, Termux. Create, and inside this folder I want to create a different folders. For example, A, this is the first, the second folder is B, and the third folder is C. Great. So we have here three different folders. But how can I enter inside this directory? It's easy. Just follow me. Firstly, I want to clean all this. Just type clear. It's easy. And press enter, as you can see here. As I tell you right now, I want to enter into this directory. Okay. Just type cd. Cd is for changing directory, and this slash and sd card. This is the method number one. Or if you want, just type cd and press enter and ls. After that, you can see here different. Okay, as you can see here, we have this all file. Okay, so just type cd and storage here, as you can sd card. As you can see, if you want, just copy and paste and ls. As you can see here, guys, can't open because permission is deleted. How can I solve this problem? It's easy. Just press or type enter Termux and set up storage and press enter. As you can see here, this alert allow Termux to access photo, media and files on your device. Allow, just click on allow. This is the method number one, and click on open another session, and again SD card and ls. This is the method number one, guys. This is the method number one. Just click right storage to set up Termux, and the method number two is going to app info and permissions storage. It can be like this. Just click here, okay? And again, let's go here, okay? So we have here the all files or folder that we have in my mobile phone. So I want to enter into the folder that I created. Okay, just type cd and the folder, or directory that you want. ls for view the file or folder or directory. ls, okay, and press enter. As you can see here, this is the three folder. Okay. For example, if you want to back, I am here in this folder. I want to back in this directory. It's easy. Just type cd and enter, and if you type ls, you can see here the folder. Again, Termux and ls. Great. Now I want to know where I just type POUD. POUD is meaning print working directory. And press enter. As you can see here, SD card slash Termux. This is the directory where I. So here we have, if you were to explain, here we have this section for show hidden files. For example, I have here a GIF, a face. This is a hidden files. it's useless in my phone. For example, I want to create a folder is hidden. For example, create a new folder point. As you can see here, if I click here, the folder is hidden. If I click here, the folder is showing. But how can I do this? By using Termux. Okay, let's do this. Okay, if I click here, I can't show the hidden files, but how can I? Just ls, by using ls and -a, ls -a, and press enter. As you can see here, this is the hidden files, new folder. I think this is everything in the first lecture. Guys, see you in the next video.